Hey warriors, welcome to the exotic destination called my bathroom. Yep, you're really in my bathroom. Welcome back to Live Free TV. My name is Sarah, Live Free Warrior. Conscious, healthy ways to travel and live. Which brings up this tip today that I'm going to share with you that you can do before any trip. I will do this the night before flying because I just have a bag prepped and ready to go. But plan and pack your stuff ahead for your toiletries. And stay tuned for the end for a bonus one too. There's 3 benefits to doing this, and I'll get into that. So here's the tip first and foremost. I need to adjust this a bit. So usually we will get bigger containers of shampoos and conditioners, and I always bring in oil. I have these, it's open. I have these little containers that I put them in. So I have almond oil in this one. I love how almond oil feels on my skin. I usually bring coconut oil as well, but I just fill it up. I don't fill it up all the way because I know I'm not going to use it all, but it's what I bring along with me and mix with some lotion sometimes. This keeps my skin hydrated, and I don't have to use whatever the lotion is that the hotel gives you because it's not always that great. Same goes for conditioners and shampoos. I use these little refillable containers. Make sure I put the right one in here, huh? So I just give it a refill. And you pump it up. Oh, this is nice. Brings me to my next point. It smells so good. So when you're using your own product and reusing the containers, one, it helps to give consistency to both if it's for your skin or for your hair. You get disrupted a lot with travel. So you're giving consistent routines that will improve both your hair and your skincare. The other part, of course, you're cutting down on single-use plastics. If you're not using the ones that are in hotels, which, you know, they're those little tiny bottles that you just toss at the end, or you use half of and then the hotel tosses it, you're cutting back on a lot of the plastics and waste. That's something that I'm really passionate for. So being a conscious traveler, reducing your consumption, you improve your own well-being, and just by planning and packing ahead. Now here's the bonus tip at the end. I don't bring my own soap when I go to hotels or resorts. So I actually take home the soap with me and I use the rest of it at home. Especially this one. This one I got from Cap Cana when I was in Punta Cana this past week, and it has like this olive oil moisturizing scent to it that I wanted to use it in my house too. So instead of tossing it or letting housekeeping toss it, I took it home. Now these little containers, I think these I bought at IKEA a while back, this one, and they come in little packs of 4. So you can even, what I did on my other ones that I have is you label this side that says shampoo, conditioner, cream, oil, mouthwash, whatever you want to use it for. So that's what I got. Buen viaje, safe travels, conscious travels. This is Sarah, Live Free Warrior. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more fitness, wellness, and travel tips, and subscribe on Instagram at Live Free Warrior for all of the above on a more regular basis.